Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to disable OneDrive on startup in OneDrive app at 2025. So actually guys, you will need just to click the OneDrive cloud icon in the taskbar. So you may be able to see it just right here, or you can just go with show hidden icons option on the taskbar, and yeah, there you go. This is the OneDrive cloud icon. So just go ahead, click it, and then you will need to go and click on the help and settings or the gear icon that's located on the top right corner of the app, and after that just go with settings. So in some versions of OneDrive app you will be able to see an option just right here. It says starts OneDrive automatically when I sign in to Windows. So we will need just to go ahead and check it. Alright, so on my version, or the latest versions of OneDrive, doesn't actually have that option. Okay, so what to do now, you will need just to go and right click on the taskbar, and after that go with task manager. Okay, and then you will need to go and click on the startup apps option, and yeah, there you go. So that's the startup apps option. Click it, and then you will need to locate the OneDrive and enable it. Right, so just go right click and go with disable. So I mean disable it. Right, so once you click it, it's disabled right now. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.